Hey everybody, this is Benji with Mill Creek Range. Today I'm answering Plowboysghost question of the day. What gun are you carrying in your holster? Well, today I'm carrying my Taurus Judge, loaded up with 410, number 6 shot. Anytime I'm around the house here, working up on the property, around the range, around my pond, just generally around the house, you may run into a note rope, such as a water moccasin, we call them cottonmouths, copperhead. If I can tell that they're a friendly snake or a good snake, like a rat snake or a king snake, I'll let them slide by. But the bad ones, cottonmouth and the copperhead, they got to go. I got grandkids. And she packs a pretty good punch with them. So you never know when one of them little slithery subjects going to sneak up on you like that. There, man, gracious, man, they're fast. You got to be on your toes when you're around these woods inside of Alabama. They will sneak up on you. And yeah, they will, with this number 6 shot, they do pretty good. They got a pretty good little spread, about 4, 5, 6 feet. You ain't got to aim too hard. You're going to hit them if you're anywhere close. So that is my carry gun anytime I'm around the range here working. It gets used and abused, it gets wet, it gets sweaty. I put a little bit of oil on it, take a brush and clean off the dust, make sure it functions. It's probably the least clean gun that I really have, but it does work when needed. So that's the gun that Mill Creek Range is carrying today here, and we'll see you on down the trail. Y'all keep those powder dry. See you next time. Oh, and I will be smoking a good cigar when I'm outside working.